everybody, and welcome back to Financial Phoenix. This week is looking pretty awesome for couponing at Dollar General, and I'm going to share 3 deals that you can do this coming Saturday, September 11th. Only one paper coupon is required between all 3 of these deals, and they are super easy to do, very beginner friendly. If you find these videos helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel using the button down below, and leave us a thumbs up to help support our work so we can keep bringing you these awesome deals. Let's go. Okay, we're going to start with an awesome pet deal for cat lovers. So cat owners, this is for you. Start by picking up 1 bag of the 9 Lives cat food. You can find this in the dollar aisle. You're actually going to pick up the smaller bag that's in the dollar aisle for just $1.10. And we have a $1 off digital coupon, making it just 10 cents. Next, pick up 3 bags of the Purina Cat Chow, or the Kitten Chow, also works for this coupon as well. And 5 bags are $5.85 a piece, so that's going to run you $17.55, so that's definitely the bulk of this order. Those are going to be buy 2, get 1 free with a digital coupon, so you're essentially going to take $5.85 off of that. Next, pick up 1 of the Tidy Cats 20-pound bag of cat litter. Make sure you're getting the 20-pound bag and not the 10-pound. The 20-pound is the really giant bag for $5.95, and we have a $1.50 digital coupon off of that. And last but not least, just to make sure we're getting over our $25 threshold, you want to pick up 1 bag of cat treats, anything. I just grabbed one of these dollar bags just to make sure that we were over $25. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped, and your subtotal for all of this cat stuff is going to be $25.60. And then after all of your coupons come off, plus your 5 off of 25, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $12.25 for essentially four bags of cat food, a bag of litter, and a bag of treats. I'd say that's pretty good for under $13 plus tax. Okay, for this second transaction, we're going to start by picking up 1 package of the Glad trash bags for $5. We have a $1.50 off digital coupon on these, and if you didn't use this coupon last week, I highly encourage you to use it when you get a chance. We just don't get good coupons on trash bags very often. Next, pick up 2 packages of the Hershey's pumpkins. These are the Hershey's Reese's pumpkins, essentially. And these are $3.50 a piece. And these come 4 to a pack. So you want to make sure you're spending at least $6 for this coupon. So $3.50 a piece would make them $7 for both. We have a $3 off of 6 digital coupon that you can use. Be careful if you've already clipped the other Reese's coupon for 2 off of 7. That one will probably come off first, so just be aware of that. Also this week, the Ajax and Palmolive dish soaps are buy 1, get 1 free. So those are $3 a piece and $6 for both. So you're going to get pay 3 and you'll get 1 of those for free. Make sure you're getting the correct size that's listed on the coupon. And last but not least, pick up 2 Swiffer refills. This will run you $9 for both. They're $4.50 a piece. I like to get the wet version for my mop. And we have a $2 digital coupon on those. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped, or you have a paper version, either way. And your subtotal should come to $27. And your out-of-pocket cost after all of your coupons come off should be $12.50 plus tax for all of that, or $1.78 each. And $1.78 for trash bags and for Swiffer refills. I'm here for it. I am here for it. So can you guys tell that I'm ready for spooky season or what? Halloween definitely starts in September in this household. Leave a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite time of year. Okay, for our third and final transaction, we're going to start by picking up one of the Febreze air freshener plugs. These are $3 and we get this free digital coupon every single year. And I love stocking up on these. You can add them to a gift basket or as a stocking stuffer, or just keep a stockpile for yourself for when yours goes bad. Either way, these are a great item to fill up a transaction. Also, we're going to pick up one of the Crest toothpaste. These are $2.25. I think if you can find like the cinnamon version, maybe $3. It just depends. Check your coupon, scan items in your store to see what qualifies for this coupon using your Dollar General app. But there is a $2.25 version that works with this $2 off coupon, making it just 25 cents. So the cheaper you can get, the better. That will add to this deal. Also pick up 2 of the Ajax or Palmolive again, so $6 for both, and one of them will be free. Also pick up a package of the Bic razors. You're looking for like the turquoise color package. These are $2.85, and we have a $2 off digital coupon, making them just 85 cents. Also pick up 2 of the Microban, I don't know, how do you say it? 2 of the Microban spray. These are $3 a piece. They're 2 for $6 this week, so $6 for both. We have 1 digital coupon off of 1, and then you should be able to find a $1 paper coupon out of one of our last newspaper inserts that we got, so essentially $2 off there. And last but not least, pick up 2 Febreze air sprays. These are $3 a piece, so $6 for both. I really wanted to find some fall scents, but my store didn't have them out yet. I was hoping for like apple or pumpkin spice or something, but you know, I couldn't find any of the fall scents. Let me know in the comments if your store has your fall scented Febreze and air sprays out yet. We have a $3 off digital coupon on these, and make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped again as well. Your subtotal should come to $26.25 for everything here, and after all of your coupons and your 5 off of 25 come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $6.25 for 9 items, or 69 cents each. And 69 cents for cleaning spray and dish soap and Febreze. That is a great price. Thanks for checking out this video, you guys. Be sure to follow us on Instagram as well as TikTok at financial_Phoenix for more deals and couponing tips. We'll see you next time, and remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Bye, everybody.